So before joining Rego, I was also a consultant with Broadcom, and before that, I was a client myself. So from that perspective, I can see that the connections with Broadcom product management and the access to that deep technical product knowledge combined with the expertise and real-world experience from the Rego guides really gives a unique advantage and value to our clients.
Clarity views its partnership with Rego as critical to the success of many customers because it's not possible to just take something as complicated as project and portfolio management or strategic portfolio management and drop a tool in and everybody's going to be happy, everybody's going to get the value out of it. You really need expert people who have experience in putting these types of solutions in place to provide guidance and answer those types of questions that are not product questions, that are really important questions that have to be answered around people and process in order to actually be able to get the full advantage of the technology.
So this one is particularly special to me because I really resonated with the challenge that the client was facing, where they were stuck in some old legacy ways of working, using old versions of Clarity, trying to do their strategic portfolio planning and waterline prioritization processes. And they were really struggling because it was old capabilities. And so over a period of several months, leveraging our best practices as well as some Rego innovations, we've been able to help them modernize and take advantage of not only better ways of working, but better use of leveraging the capabilities that are native in Clarity in the modern UX.
I get excited the most when they're able to go into a meeting or meet with their peers or talk to their colleagues, and they're able to understand and represent the data in the tool, visualize it in the tool, make updates quickly. When they see the value of the application and what it brings to them, I think it's a really powerful talking tool that they can use kind of across the organization and really drives value for them. So I get excited when I see that. So in order to achieve time to value, I think we employ a couple different tactics. I think the biggest one being a phased approach or more of an agile approach, where we're able to kind of say, here's the MVP. This is kind of the base to get you started. Let's go ahead and get that data in, and then let's iterate over time. Because if we try and do kind of the big bang approach, sometimes it's great and sometimes it doesn't work out well. There's always room for expansion and kind of update with the iterative approach. So I'd say a phased approach is kind of how we do that.
I think they see both immediate benefits in terms of the confidence that they have when they're initially getting started and being able to see value more quickly. And then they also get long-term benefits because they feel that they have a trusted partner that they can go to for the ins and outs of the day-to-day operation of the solution that they may not necessarily be able to go back directly to the product for, or because their situation is unique. And so as you try to apply a technology that is used by a large number of organizations, tailoring it and making sure that it's going to be applicable to your organization's challenges benefits from having that partnership available to them. I think the most important thing is to ask a lot of questions and to participate in the community that we've set up both with the product and with Rego, because there's probably very little we haven't seen before. It's just a matter of explaining to us what you're trying to accomplish so that we can help.